Hello people. Okay, I wanted to show you how to create a pattern like that. Because I use the NURBS surface NURBS module. NURBS, they pronounce in English, in American English. And today I wanted to publish tutorial how to create multi-sided blend surface, because it is possible to do that. I wanted to check something. What I did, I used the separate patches. When you go to object geometry, CV surface. What I did, I copied and I will rotate. You need to have 3 patches. There's a very interesting module how you can connect those patches. In the past, I published a video tutorial, but I almost knew nothing about certain things when it comes to NURBS modeling in 3ds Max. First of all, we have to attach those polygons. And later on, I will show you what the next step is. Attach. Then, now I will show you a very interesting thing what I found. Where did I see this? You guys, oh, okay, sorry, I couldn't see this. There's open fuse, and I will connect NURBS patch. In the past, I didn't realize how 3ds Max is powerful. I will have to change resolution to high. Okay, now after that, we can use multi-sided blend surface. Oh, there's option flip normals. Now we have blended patches. But first of all, I will have to check. Oh, this looks amazing. I didn't know how beautiful that thing will be. Oh, wow. To be honest with you, I didn't expect for NURBS to look like this. NURBS. Sorry for my pronunciation. I come from Poland, and sometimes I struggle with English pronunciation. Okay. I wish there was option for conversion. What is this? Be careful, because Max tends to crash, and this is what I don't like about that program, because this is not what I was expecting from Max, because application itself can crash. We have got soft selection. I wonder if you still use NURBS module, but I like very much final results. I will start doing some serious models. What if I convert? I wish there was a conversion option, but I will leave as it is. Is ISO? What? And now I will convert to patch. Nothing happened. But you can still. Let's convert to polygons, edit poly. But the issue is, I still like NURBS. I didn't model anything by using this module, but this tutorial was how to create multi-sided. I will show you, because I've forgotten how do they call this in English. This panel opens up when you select the NURBS surface. Create a multi-sided blend surface. This is tutorial about this. I hope you like my video tutorial. I would like to create some interesting organic shapes by using this module. But the issue is I have to check something because I don't like. Also, my polygon is disconnected. That's the main issue, and it looks triangular. It doesn't have quads, but I will have to check if you can still fix that issue. Quadify mesh. Oh no. Oh no, I shouldn't turn this on. Okay, never mind. I will try to find a solution how to use NURBS, but I hope that this should be okay for you to understand how to use this multi-sided blend option.